In this style, I'm really loving the way that you're picking it up and dropping it down. Wow.
Would add a 2% fee to stays that could help generate as much as $3.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Austin Police Department, along with Homeland Security. At 5:50 a.m., a weird phenomenon is happening across the Austin area. Witnesses have reported hearing voices outside their houses. The source is unknown, but it is recommended to stay indoors. Stay tuned for more information about this ongoing situation.
Tax and Convention Center revenues.
Well, an urgent search is underway for a missing Dallas ISD employee who hasn't been seen since last week.
Police in Seagoville, southeast of Dallas, think she may be in danger.
The following message is transmitted by the Dallas Police Department, along with Homeland Security. Multiple reports coming from witnesses have reported that a strange, shadowy figure are breaking into their homes, taking their kids, and running off like a flash. This is a dangerous situation and should be taken seriously. Make sure to block all entrances to the outside and keep your kids close to you. If the shadowy figure is in your home, make sure to grab any weapon as you like. Stay tuned to this weird situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. There is no time left at 11:23 a.m.